So yesterday on our warm-up, it actually went through what we're going to do today, and I skipped this last Friday because we didn't have time. I didn't think it was going to be on the warm-up, so that's my fault. So today we're going to go through it, so we'll be fine. So it's called the vertical line test. So this is a way to tell whether a graph is a function or a non-function. So it's very simple. All we're going to do is draw a vertical line. So just as a reminder, a vertical line is straight up and down. So we're going to draw a straight up and down line on our graph, and we're just going to see how many times does it touch the line that's already graphed. So let's just jump into some practice. We learn better in math just by looking at example problems. So on number one, we're going to draw a vertical line. It does not matter where we draw it. I can draw it here. I could draw it here. All that matters is how many times does our vertical line touch the line that is graphed. So my vertical line is right here, and it crosses just one time. Crosses one time, so yes, it is a function. If you drew this line, it still just crosses that one time, so it's still a function. Okay, so let's jump to number two. Same thing, I'm going to draw a vertical line. So this one hits the graph one time and again a second time. So when it hits twice, it's not a function. So if it hits once, it is a function. If it ever hits twice, then no, it's not a function. So sometimes we won't have graphs, but rather points, but they're on a graph. Well, we're still going to follow these same steps. So I'm going to go to number three, and I'm going to draw a vertical line. So if I draw this vertical line, I only hit 1 point. However, if I come over here and draw this vertical line, well, I hit 1, 2, and 3 points. So if I ever hit more than 1 point, it's not a function. Okay, and I'm going to do one more with you together. So I'm going to come over here on number 4. So I draw this vertical line. I only hit 1 point, 1 point, 1 point through all of these except right here. On this vertical line, I hit 1 point and 2 points. So because I hit those 2 points, it is not a function. So that's all there is for today. Again, drawing a vertical line, hit once, yes, it's a function. Ever hit twice, no, it's not a function. So we have some more practice problems right here on the front. Then on the back, it goes all the way to number 24. So again, if you do not have the workbook, you just need to be writing down these numbers on a separate sheet of paper and then just putting yes or no for function or non-function. The only other one that I'm actually going to go through right now is number 11. This one's a little tricky. So here's my line that's graphed. My line is actually already a vertical line. So if I draw a vertical line over the top of it, do I hit it more than once? Well, it touches over and over and over again, as you guys can kind of see these points that I'm putting. So it actually touches it what we call an infinite number of times. So no, it's not a function, because if it hits an infinite or infinity number of times, that's obviously going to be more than one. So remember, on these YouTube videos, you are welcome to go back and watch them again. If we are in class, please feel free to message me and I can go over any of the other problems. Once you guys are done, then make sure you hold on to this, because on Thursday we're going to be taking pictures of all the work that we do this week and submitting it.